Original Medicare is composed of 4 parts: Part A, Part B, Part C, and Part D. So I always tell people that I'm working with, get out a piece of paper and write this down. This is your homework for today. So, Part A, you work for your entire life. They take it out of your paycheck so that when you turn 65, Part A is already paid for. Part A covers everything inside of the hospital. But Part B, you have to sign up for. Part B covers everything outside of the hospital, such as your doctor visits, could be your oxygen, your wheelchairs. But Part B, you will have to pay for, and it will come out of your Social Security check every month. So if you're already on Social Security, it's going to be about $175 a month, depending on what year you're watching this, but it does go up every year. So then Part A, B, and Part C, Medicare Part C is private Medicare. You leave original Medicare and go into a private managed care. Part C, it's also called a Medicare Advantage plan. And people call it all different kinds of different names because there are many different types of plans. It can be a PPO plan, an HMO plan, a special needs plan, even a dual eligible plan. There's many different types of Medicare Part C, but it's private Medicare. It's still governed by the federal government, and you still get all the core benefits that you would get from original Medicare if you stayed on original Medicare, which is Part A and B. It's governed under the government, but it's administered by a private insurance company. And in many cases, Part C plan has a drug plan built in. So it's called an MAPD plan. We said that Medicare has 4 parts: Part A, Part B, Part C, and now Part D. Part D is your drugs. It's the beautiful thing that Medicare gave us, and it's actually, when it's lined up, D equals drugs. So you can buy a standalone drug plan, and many people buy a standalone drug plan because they bought a Medicare supplement, which is a supplement to supplement their original Medicare. And some people go with Part C with a Medicare Advantage plan that comes with the drugs already built in. So if you know Part A, Part B, and Part D, you understand the basics of Medicare. So schedule an appointment with us today, and we will customize your program based on your needs and your budget. Give us a call today.